It's Friday and time to start another weekend vlog. I'm trying to bring my energy, but the end of my day was just trash. Thought I was doing well and it just wasn't giving what it was supposed to have gave. Currently at Harper's school, getting ready to pick her up, and she wanted donuts, so we're going to go to Krispy Kreme and get some donuts today. She wanted to get them on like Wednesday or something. We're gonna get donuts today. But we have an eventful vlog coming up tonight. I think Andr'a and his wife Yall are coming over to the house, and the kids. Y'all seen them in the vlog. They went to the park with us. But Yall's coming over so I can do her hair. I plan to organize the pantry again this weekend because that didn't happen in the last vlog, but probably won't get done this weekend either because tomorrow we are going to Greensboro for a wedding that EJ is the photographer for. Saturday night we're supposed to be going out with Andr'a for his birthday to celebrate, so there's that. So I get to look cute, but all I'm going to do is slick down this hair and stuff. And then on Sunday we just have church so far, so maybe I'll get to organize the pantry on Sunday. I don't know. We shall see. That's what we're getting into, and I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride. All right, guys, we went and got donuts. Harper and I ate one in the car. So we each got a specialty donut. Harper got a strawberry glaze with sprinkles.
I love sprinkles, guys.
And I got a raspberry glaze.
I'll get some of yours.
So y'all know I've been on this eating healthy thing. So what I'm probably going to do is go eat some lunch because I didn't eat that. I've only had breakfast and like a snack. And then I'll eat another donut because I can. Alright, we're going inside.
My blanket is in the house.
What? Alright, we're about to go inside. Get your book bag. I'll catch y'all when we're doing something. Who's back?
That's the finish for ear infection.
Yeah, it's a strike. Supposed to be. I guess it's supposed to be.
It's May. She not feeling good.
Subdidor.
Septin
is septin.
I'm trying to get Daria. She can't even breathe. Pearson.
Hey y'all.
I
told y'all they always here.
Nah, she went to daycare. I went and got her when I came her back. When I came her back. I took her back.
Swallow it. You holding it. Why you trying to hit me? Because you don't like the mess? She It's the birthday boys.
Yo, what's good?
Of course he came over with this. What y'all know about that?
Sensaro.
Tequila reposado. Look at, ooh, May. She mad at me. Don't be recording me.
Yeah, you want
I gotta put you on the vlog.
Yeah.
She over here sniffing it.
Yeah, I had to sniff it first. You didn't take one with me. I thought you would take one with you.
Oh.
You didn't.
Look, he got a full glass. Look, she caught all that junk and then gonna take it.
I don't know. Stop making all that.
No, but I don't know why she do that. She make a big deal about taking shots, then she take it and be like, oh, whatever.
It wasn't that bad. No, it wasn't as bad as the other one. Okay,
Put on tape.
that was not bad.
Y'all look at EJ with a baby. Comment down below if you think we should have another one. EJ don't want to be in my vlog.
Oh man.
All right, let me do Sassy's hair.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send a Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. Can't leave a trace. This is
I finished Dario's hair. She's on shot number 3.
Yes.
EJ and Andr'a.
Stop it, Mama.
Their names even rhyme. They feeling saucy. And what y'all doing down here?
Nothing.
Oh, pick them papers up. The kids down there chilling. I think I'm gonna get me a slice of pizza. I'm gonna get a slice of this pizza. Dre got some vegetables on it.
Come on, Mama.
She getting excited now.
Yeah, now she ain't gonna do it.
We all going upstairs.
The night is ending. Finishing up my Angry. I feel like Angry Orchards are becoming too sweet for me.
I know. I hit 3 of them.
Yeah, they too sweet. I need some crispin or some Bowl Rock. All right, that's our night, y'all. Just hanging out with the fam that always be here. But we're about to go upstairs. I finished my lesson plans. Well, one set, because they want to get them all early and stuff. I'll do the other ones tomorrow, and I'll do my midterm tomorrow or Sunday. So see y'all tomorrow when we get ready to head out for this photo shoot. Oh, it got dark. The people want to see me. All right, see y'all tomorrow when we get ready to head out for this photo shoot. Good morning. It's Saturday. I just finished my workout. If you can't tell, I did a full body AMRAP. It was rough. But it's Saturday, y'all. We have a busy day. We are going to Greensboro. So we're going to be out of the house most of the day. And Harper is going to be with one of my former students from A&T. Well, she's still at A&T, but I taught her. And Harper's gonna be with her while we're at this wedding. So I want to, yes, pack some food. After this, I'm gonna go take a shower and get dressed so we can head out.
Look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, don't feel you just grow stronger. Still leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. While it's going on, I put it in the song.
So 1/3 of a cup of egg whites is the same as 2 whole egg whites. Then 1 whole egg.
I'm getting impatient. Look at what you do to me. I was thinking safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta
Between the 3 of us. You were like a little baby. And then just a handful of spinach.
in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're.
And this is my method for cooking my omelets. So get it all mixed up beforehand and then just pour the mixture in there. And then as it cooks, move the egg around so that creates the base for you, and making sure that everything cooks. And then I just push this down the side that's cooked. And then and I just keep doing that. This has been my breakfast. It looks very like measly, but it's filling, I promise you. We are on the road to Greensboro. Harper is back there asleep, or going to sleep. I just did my makeup in the car, something quick. Got my hair up. So I'm doing stuff so I don't have to do stuff tonight because we're supposed to go out. So this makeup look and this hair is for the whole day. And there's EJ with his curls. About to drop Harper off once we get to Greensboro, so see y'all. Y'all, this used to look run down, ran through, run over. A&T really building up. Oh, they named it after Chancellor Martin. I didn't know that.
I knew that they was gonna do that, but dang, that joint is nice. I don't come on campus that often.
We was Aggie born, Aggie bred. To the day
They
we
don't put
die.
gates up right here.
Taking pictures out here.
This is more so right here.
Y'all, I met Tabitha Brown. Me too. That's her right there. Look. Very good. Very good. Very good. Y'all, we met Tab. We met Tab. Auntie Tab right there. That's her. In my vlog, I took a picture with her, everything. I just talked to her, but I had to turn off the camera because I had to get pictures. Y'all, I met Auntie Tab. That's the name of the vlog. I met Auntie Tab. That's crazy. Auntie Tab
She
can't
getting
say
in the
that.
car now because
Yeah.
it's getting too hot out here.
Oh my God. We gotta, y'all, I tell you, we trendsetters, boy. Look at EJ, look.
I can't
EJ, don't she
believe it.
smell like
Yeah,
Auntie
she do.
Grandma?
Yeah.
Oh.
And she got a nice little body too.
And she got nice teeth. Her teeth so.
Yeah, they
Oh,
was straight.
she got out. She got to talk to the babies. Y'all, look at that's like God's divine timing.
Yeah.
Oh, bye, Auntie Tab. We like friends now.
I cannot believe that.
Oh my
We
God.
met Tabitha Brown.
Oh my
You better hurry
God.
up and get in the car though, because people gonna keep coming out.
Oh my God.
Oh, I need to pull over because I don't even know where I'm going.
The excitement, like, EJ, that's how it's gonna be when I meet Ms. Vaughn.
I didn't know that was really her, and then I thought you was joking. You was like, "Oh my gosh, it's Tabitha! Oh my gosh! Oh my god!"
That's crazy. So EJ just pulled over so we can get
I
to.
gotta figure out where I'm going.
Yes, I had to take my scarf off.
Did you?
Yeah. When I walked up, I said, "Oh hey, Auntie Tab." I was laying my edges down. Donna was looking good.
Yeah, she had nice fro, nice teeth. She looked cool.
Oh man.
At first, I thought that was her husband. I was like, he too short, and he don't have the little curly joint.
Yeah. All right, we're finally getting out of the car. It's 2:15.
I mean, the wedding ain't starting on time.
So we got here.
An hour ago.
Wow. All right. Let's go to work.
Farmington Drive, then turn left to stay on Farmington Drive.
Okay. Choking on a carrot. But we just left the bride getting ready. They are currently an hour behind schedule. I was gonna say we, but you must got a rat in your pocket. We're about to head to
Stay
the
on
venue.
Farmington Drive.
I'm snacking on carrots, cucumbers, and cucumbers. Is that the right? Cucumbers.
Quarter
I
mile,
thought I
turn
was saying it
right
wrong.
onto South Holden Road.
Carrots, cucumbers, and hummus.
Still in drugs, man.
It sounded wrong.
First time in a long time. Hurting, deeply inside. First time in a long time. Hurting, deeply. Trust who? Watch my back even when I'm in the pool. Oh, trust who? Doing my thing when I'm down to come clean. I like you.
Hey y'all, check it back in. I'm coming to pick up Harper. The event is just now starting. It was supposed to start at 2:30. It is 4:45. All right, y'all, here we are walking back into the venue. I got Harper girl.
Stay good. You have fun? You like the museum?
Over even when you're gone, love, fear, then just grow stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still.
Hey y'all.
Yeah, I can't see. Put that down.
Oh my gosh, you can't see.
I'm trying to drive.
God.
So stupid.
Anyway,
I'm trying to keep y'all safe.
we're in the car. We're heading out, celebrating Andre's birthday. That's the birthday boy back there. It's dark. We're going to Lost and Found.
We're gonna try.
We're gonna try.
That line long, we gonna keep it pushing.
Right.
Go somewhere. We might have
That jump be stupid.
Yeah.
shot.
Just drink it.
Come on, I'll
Just drink
take
it, Shia. Just drink it.
I'm not doing the whole thing.
It's his birthday. It's for his birthday.
It's his birthday. I know it's his birthday.
Do it like it's your B-day.
Baby.
It's not my B-day.
Do it like it's his B-day.
Well, y'all won now. Y'all married. So,
That don't be.
yeah.
Nah, don't try.
You gave up the eyes for weeds.
Wee. Oh, we speaking French now. Wee.
Yeah, don't think about
Come on.
it. There we
Period.
go.
Woo.
She always do that, too.
Follow.
Always do that.
I know it wasn't that bad.
Oh, I'm about to punch you across the face. Oh, I'm about
It just
to.
tasted like it, but it was okay.
I told you.
You can't sip it. You gotta drink it.
No, it's alright. Okay.
To church in Greensboro. We just left eating pizza for breakfast. And I also have fruit. As you see, EJ's cracking the ginger ale, but that's medicine in the black community. All right? Comment down below if your parents ever gave you ginger ale when you were feeling ill in any sort of way. Do you still use ginger ale now if you're feeling ill to settle your stomach? Yeah, so that's it. I'm about to eat. We're gonna be on our way. We made it to church. We're twinsies. Can you show your shirt? Harper's tired. We're out of church, y'all. Trying to get something to eat. Service was good. It was real chill. Reporting to you live from the couch. I took a nap, but now I'm up. Oh! I got to make some lesson plans, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if anything else is gonna happen today. Yeah, boy. We'll see what happens. All right, y'all. I'm sitting here looking at my calendar, doing stuff for work. Watching a circle. I finished the other lesson plan. I have one more to do, but it's not due till next Monday. But I need to get that done because I'm gonna be out of town this weekend. But that's it for this weekend's vlog, you all. Thank you so much for tuning in for another weekend vlog. Make sure you subscribe because after this weekend vlog, we have a fun out of town vlog coming up for the weekend. And then we have another travel vlog coming up after that. So make sure that y'all tune in. Subscribe to my channel, leave some comments down below. Engage with me, and I'll see y'all next weekend.